Hello everyone, this is the third topic in special products, the sum of difference of two terms. So, sa sum of difference of two terms, ay mayroong dalawang rule. The first rule is multiply the first term to first term. X times x is equal to x squared. And the second and last rule is multiply the last term to last term. So, y times y is equal to y squared. Since magkaiba sila ng sign, we put the operator to negative. Negative. Ganyan siya. Again, the first rule is multiply the first and first term. Then the last rule is multiply the last term to last term. Okay, another example. Another example. 2x plus 3 times 2x minus 3. Oh. So, first term to first term, 2x times 2x is equal to 2 is equal to 4x squared. And last term, which is positive 3 times the last term ulit, which is negative 3 is equal to negative 9. Negative 9. Negative 9. Another example. 6a plus b times 6a minus b. First term to first term. So, 36a squared minus, since magkaiba ulit sila ng sign, kasi nga sum of difference tayo, negative. The operator is negative. Then, multiply the last term to last term. So, the answer is b squared. Another example. The last example. 5y plus 2z times 5y minus 2z. So, first term to first term, 25y squared. So, our operator again is negative. So, last term times last term is equal to 4z squared. So, yan lang po ang sum of difference of two terms. Thank you for watching, guys.